Setting the default audio device in Google Home. When you set up your in-home speakers and devices in Google Home, you will want to set a speaker to be designated as the default speaker in each Google Home. Why? Well, if your Google Home and speaker are in the kitchen, then you want to be able to just say something like "play jazz" instead of "play jazz in the kitchen." So, how do you do that? First, you're going to want to open the Google Home app. Find the Google Home that you need to work with on the list of devices available. Click on the device settings. Scroll down until you find the default speaker setting and press on it. Look for the speaker that you want to be the default speaker for that room. In this example, it is the kitchen speaker for the kitchen Google Home. Now that is set, let's test the system.
Okay, Google, play music.
Alright, music from Spotify. Playing on kitchen speaker.
Now, CCR is playing in the kitchen speaker without me having to tell Google Home which speaker to play to. Once playing, you can adjust volume, pause, and play again right from the Google Home app, or just by using your voice. This video was made by the team at VSSL. Check us out at vessel.com.